In our first episode, we introduced how you as a small telco can have big wins by having the best service. But that's not always possible because your ability to see what's happening on your network is not there, and that your world is closing in on you. But despite all of this, you can regain your advantage with Sandvine and accelerate a transformation from a network-centric point of view to an experience-centric point of view, and save yourself years of innovation by leveraging our AppQoE data to unlock better decision-making. So your magic formula of providing the best services is preserved. Today, we're going to take a deeper look and go over how you can offer the best network service. So let's get started. Small Telco, Big Wins, Episode 2, New Ways to Win with Network Troubleshooting. My name is Zaid Ali, and I'm a Senior Director of Product Marketing at Sandvine. Let's face it, there are only 24 hours in a day, and somehow you have a week's worth of work to go through. And so when problems come in, you have to make decisions. The question is, how do you set proper priorities on what's truly important to work on, solve issues in a timely manner, and make decisions that you can stand behind that make the most financial sense? Not too long ago, the landscape of troubleshooting was fairly straightforward. You only had to worry about the parts of the network that you owned. Gaining subscriber information and understanding the infrastructure performance was also straightforward. But as we move from early 2010s to 2015 up until pre-COVID, the network essentially got taken over by applications, in particular streaming services and social media. And on top of that, your customers' traffic started to get encrypted, creating different sensitivities to network performance and new challenges to your ability to serve faster. Today, applications are so complex, and what's riding on your network is almost fully encrypted traffic, yet your network responsibilities increase to understanding three major areas: what's happening with your subscribers, where are the problems occurring on the network, and deciphering if issues lie on your network versus the OTT or application provider's network. These questions of what apps are being affected, what devices, when this is occurring, and which subscribers are impacted takes much longer to resolve, sometimes days, sometimes even weeks. What's needed is to improve the breadth of your troubleshooting and the depth of your data intelligence, getting to an understanding of who's affected, what devices, what application, and what is their experience. Sandvine can help, allowing you to win with more breadth and depth in your troubleshooting. With that, I'd like to introduce you to Operations Insights, a software visualization tool that takes into account breadth and depth to elevate your network operations. It is a tool that provides you with the who, what, where, and when. As mentioned in Episode 1, this is driven by our core technology, which we call AppQoE, or Application Quality of Experience. AppQoE is at the heart of everything we do because it is the only way to truly understand what is happening on your network or customer behavior and how your customers feel about your network or customer sentiment. So how does this relate to network troubleshooting? Actually, it's directly related. If you can depict customer behavior through application usage and performance, you can very easily understand the who, what, where, and when. And if you know how they feel about your network at any given moment, you now have a way to prioritize on what to work on and make decisions on where to invest based on the customers that need it the most. So what does Ops Insights look like? Well, let's have a look at how we visualize the who, what, where, and when. Let's start with the what. Say there's a problem with Facebook or Netflix. Up until today, you wouldn't be able to isolate this within seconds. But with Operations Insights, you can. You simply would have a dashboard that displays all of your key applications, and thanks to our App QoE technology, you can score and understand things like, is this a problem on my network? Or did Facebook or Hulu or any other application provider have another major outage? So that brings us to the where. Now, if you see many applications that are having an issue, it's reasonable to suspect that it's a problem on your network. The question is, how can you, within minutes, know where the issues are occurring? Well, with Operation Insights, you can. It provides a view of your entire network to pinpoint areas to drill down on. And with our App QoE technology, you can have a unique navigation map to easily pull that needle from a haystack and drill down on the areas with the bad application performances. Then compare with the locations table the volume of subscribers who are most affected, and then drilling down to the individual location to isolate your problems, sorted from worst to least. This could have taken hours or days to isolate, but with Ops Insights, it's literally minutes. Okay, so let's chat a little bit about the when. So now you've been able to isolate this issue, but it seems like it's intermittent and it's unclear when these issues are occurring. Well, again, with Operations Insights, you can naturally transition to this and understand when issues have occurred. Unique with our App QoE, you can check to see which applications are performing well by seeing their App QoE score, and then simply clicking on the application that has a low score to view a time series graph to easily spot when issues have occurred. And finally, it's only natural to delve into the who. When issues occur on the network, the immediate reaction is who was affected and also how many people were affected. Unfortunately, today we hear from many operators, big and small, that they only come to know of issues when customers call in to complain or when it's too late. With Ops Insights, you can remove the guessing and know how many subscribers are affected by an issue in your network. You can get indicators of how many of them did speed tests. Driven by our App QoE scoring, you can then sort which applications had issues and what KPIs were affecting them. And then finally, with our App QoE scoring, Ops Insights allows you to drill down to each of the subscribers and see what sentiment score they have to let you know how satisfied they are with your network, giving you an edge to win them back and take corrective actions. So there you have it. Sandvine's Operations Insights offers breadth and depth to help you win with your network troubleshooting. The breadth of getting who's affected, what applications are affected, where in the network is affected, and when subscribers are affected. All by leveraging Sandvine's depth that's powered by our App QoE technology, transforming your operations to becoming more experience-centric with your decision-making. And so winning is preserved, and you can beat Big Telco and offer the best network services with Operations Insights. So join us as we continue our Small Telco Big Win series. We will explore in more details how you can leverage Sandvine's data, visualization tools, and built-in workflows to win with the best services. In the next episodes to follow, we will be covering how you can win with these best services for your departments, similar to what was shown today. We hope you found this to be insightful. Thank you.